Welcome. This is Don Phin. And for just a few minutes, I'm going to share about the presentation I'm going to give on hiring and retaining in today's crazy economy, because it is crazy out there. And I've had the opportunity to work with a ton of business owners, CEOs, a lot of HR people. I run an HR group. And the greatest challenge everybody has right now in order to grow their business is related to personnel. There's plenty of work out there. We don't have enough people to do it. All right. We've all had that experience whether we've waited online for an hour for some customer service or sat at a restaurant before anybody showed up for half an hour. Right. So there's a big problem out there. And the first thing we're going to talk about is how we actually attract great people. And the number one way to do that is with a robust referral program. We're going to dive into that. I also want to talk a little bit about the math around HR so we understand if we don't know the math, we don't know how to strategically make decisions. So we're going to talk about some of the math, especially when it comes to turnover and retention challenges. And we're going to talk about how you can use your dollars effectively to not only attract, but retain the best employees possible. So there'll be a lot of take-home tools. You're going to walk away with a lot of tools that you can use right away. And I can't wait to see you in that program soon. So take care.